If you're looking for a comforting and delicious dinner that's easy to make, this nutritious slow cooker creamy tortellini and sausage soup is the perfect choice. It's comfort in a bowl that warms the soul. You can easily customize this recipe to suit any dietary preference by adding your favorite veggies and adjusting the spice level to suit your taste. This comforting soup is a perfect blend of savory sausage, cheesy tortellini, and creamy broth. With just a few simple steps, you can create this hearty and satisfying dish that's so flavorful they'll think you spent hours in the kitchen. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Turn your crock pot on the high setting and add your ground sausage. And chop that up until it's the consistency you prefer. Slice up one whole medium onion. I do apologize, that's off camera a little. Boy, it must be Monday. Once those are all diced, place those right in the crock pot. One heaping tablespoon of crushed garlic. 1½ teaspoons of salt. And black pepper to taste. And 2 cups of spinach. Just do a rough cut on those. You can substitute kale for spinach. And right into the crock pot with that. Four cups of chicken broth. And my apologies, I somehow missed filming that we'll need 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I did slice up 1 serrano pepper, and I had a few mushrooms in the fridge I needed to use up, so I diced up those as well. Give that a good stir and turn that crock pot down to low and let it cook for 4 hours. When that 4 hours is up, add half a brick of cream cheese. I did cut mine up into cubes just to help it melt a little quicker. Let me know in the comments what extras you added in. Did you make any changes? At this time, you can sprinkle some red pepper flakes over the top if you like. You will need 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Add that now. Replace that lid and let it cook for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, place a 1-pound package of cheese tortellinis right into the crock pot. And of course, you can add more or less of anything you like here. Gently mix all that up. Replace the lid and cook for another 30 minutes. Your soup is finished after that 30 minutes. Top with your favorite cheese such as mozzarella. We used grated Parmesan in ours. This soup is excellent served up with sliced garlic bread. The only thing left to do is to dig in. It smells so good in this kitchen. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and watch these videos next.